In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Bankwest Online Banking 2025, step by step. We'll start from a web browser and finish at your online banking dashboard, keeping things clear and secure along the way. First, open your preferred browser and search for Bankwest. You can also type the official website address directly into the address bar if you know it. Before you proceed, double check you're on the legitimate Bankwest site. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar and make sure the spelling of the domain is correct. Avoid sponsored links that don't clearly indicate the official site, and consider bookmarking the homepage for next time. Once you're on the Bankwest homepage, locate the login button. On desktop, it's typically at the top right of the page. Click Login to go to the secure sign-in screen. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to open the main menu to find it, but the label will be the same. On the login page, you'll enter your details. Bankwest uses a personal access number, often referred to as a PAN, along with your password. Your PAN is the unique number Bankwest assigned to you when your online banking was set up. Click into the personal access number field and type it carefully. If you're copying it from a secure note, paste with care to avoid extra spaces. If you don't remember your PAN, use the on-page recovery options to retrieve it securely. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password exactly as it was created, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If you're having trouble, check that caps lock isn't on and that your keyboard language hasn't changed. Many browsers offer a show or hide password toggle, so you can confirm what you've typed if you're in a private setting. A reputable password manager can also help fill this in securely. When both fields are complete, click the login button. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify your identity with a one-time code or confirmation through the bank's app. Follow the prompt on screen to finish the process. After successful verification, you'll land on your account dashboard. If you see an error, recheck your PAN and password for typos. If needed, use the forgot links on the page to reset securely, and make sure you're connected to a trusted network. When you're finished banking, always log out and close the browser if you're on a shared or public computer. That's it, your Bankwest online banking sign-in done safely and step by step.